Hey guys, this is Abaya from Tech Talk. Today we have another review and unboxing. This time we have a review of the Dell Inspiron 13, the 7000 model. This actually is the 7375. It comes in what's called Era Gray, and this has the latest AMD processor, the AMD Ryzen 7 2700U processor. Comes with 12 gigabytes of 12 gigabytes of DDR4 dual channel RAM, 256 gigabytes solid state drive, and it's a pretty cool laptop, one of the few Ryzen 7 laptops that are available. So I'm going to pause this, open this puppy up, and see what's in the box. Okay, so this is what you get out of the box. Just to start this review, this is my first Dell laptop. Had many HPs. Excuse me. I had an Aorus gaming laptop and a few others. So let's see what we got here. So this is how the unit looks. It has what they call Era Gray, which kind of looks like the space gray that you find on Apple laptops. It has this chamfered edge around the entire lid. Looks like on the right side we have a power button, a volume rocker, SD card slot, and a USB port with the Kensington lock. And on the left side, we have the power brick adapter, USB-C port, HDMI, another USB port, and 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this thing on and let you guys see. Let's take a look at what it looks like before we turn it on. So it is a brushed aluminum finish, and as you can see there's the Ryzen 7. So let's we're gonna start this and set it up, and then go from there. I'll probably just do another video because it's gonna time out. But again, the specs on this are pretty nice for a very thin and light laptop. The Ryzen 7 2700U processor starts at 2.2 gigahertz and goes up to 3.8. It's a quad core with 8 threads, one of the first from AMD, and it should be a pretty quick processor with 12 gigabytes of RAM. And the build quality on this feels really nice, I have to say. Just initial impressions, the keyboard, everything, the trackpad, I like it. So yeah, if you're interested in a Ryzen 7 PC, the Inspiron 13 7000 is probably the only one right now with dual channel RAM and expandable memory. You can actually expand the memory yourself, I believe. So that's a pretty good plus. So I'm going to get it started, show you guys the screen and everything else, and then go from there. All right, thanks so much for watching Tech Talk. This is your host, Abaya, and this is the Dell with the Ryzen 7, the 7375.